I was waiting for the bus one day and I happened to randomly play with my necklace and I found a lump in the side of my neck. So I went into the doctor, I had a biopsy, and it was a few days later, they knew immediately it was Hodgkin's lymphoma. It was ups and downs of fear, anger, numbness. And there were times where I would sit in the shower and just cry. I realized I need to call my family. And it was the hardest phone call I have ever had to make.
We received a phone call from Jen. I was in shock and terrified, actually, that I would lose my daughter, that I would have to live through the experience of having a child die. Jenny is my heart. I sometimes don't know where she begins and I end. I couldn't get to her fast enough, and I remember walking in the door and the two of us almost collapsing in each other's arms. And I said to her, I'm here. You're either going to love me or hate me, but I'm not leaving until you're well.
I initially, when I was diagnosed, didn't want to tell anyone. I'm director of campaign marketing at Sephora, and I was afraid that my career might suffer because of this illness and the subsequent treatment that I needed. My team at Sephora was incredibly supportive through the whole journey. They celebrated my wins. They supported me when I was down. Looking back, I can't imagine not telling them because we became a family. I realized in some of the darkest moments of people's life, there's still beauty, there's still hope, there's still love. I feel amazing today. My last chemo treatment was 6 months ago. I look back on the journey now and I feel 100 times stronger because of it.
You are an amazing human being, and I can't even believe you're my daughter. I love you more than anything, and I will always be here for you.
I don't even feel like I have the words. I think you know my heart. You know how much I love you. I could not have gotten through any of this without you. I love you.
I love you too, baby.
Cancer forces you to be in the moment. And you can't live for the future. You can't live in the past. You are so focused on every day. And going home for the holidays was so special because I was so present and so in the moment and so thankful that I could be with my family and that I was alive.